Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a thumbnail using canva.com. So after you log in into canva.com, you need to click the option create a design and then you can type YouTube and then you need to click the option YouTube thumbnail. In order to use a template, you need to go to search template option. So let's say if I want to search for some trees, I can type trees and then I can look for the options available. So I've selected this option just by clicking on the template itself. So now I can change the background. I can also change the text. So let's first change the image. I can go to the upload option and I can reuse my existing media files, but you can also upload new media by selecting this option. So let's say if I select this one as my new image, and if I want to change the image, I can select it backward and now it has been sent backward. But first I need to delete the existing image. So I select that image and then I can delete it. And now I can resize my new image. All right. So I don't need to have a lot of verbiage going on. So let's say if I delete it, and now I can also delete this white line. And now if I want to rename it, so let's say A Walk by Lake could be the title of my next video. So as you can see, it is not in according to the right proportion. So I can select this text and let's say I first want to change the color of the text. So I select the option of change of color by using the photo color option. So now if I want to change the style, let's say if I want to have it this one, and I can go to the decrease font size option, or I can just change the size that I feel is a good fit. But before that, I need to select my text again. Okay, so now as you can see that the text has been changed, the color of text has also been changed, but it's still not able to be read, right? So I have selected the text again, and now I can drag it and I can move it towards the bottom of my thumbnail, and now it is a totally different impact that I can see just by moving the text. So basically in Canva, you can play around and you can walk through the different options available that are here on the left side of the screen. So now if you want to download, you can click on the download option. And by default, it is suggesting me the PNG option, which is a good option if you want to have it for your YouTube video. But you can also select other options available. But let's say if I want to have it in PNG and I download it. So this is how your thumbnail will appear, which is ready to be uploaded for your next YouTube video. So if you find this video helpful and if you're interested to learn more about Canva features, I will be sharing the related videos and I see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.